Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play as Daisy in Super Mario 3D World. It's important to clarify that Daisy is not a playable character in this specific game. The adventure features a core cast of 5 characters, each bringing their own special attributes to the gameplay. While Daisy isn't available, you can still enjoy the unique experiences of the existing roster. Super Mario 3D World provides a fun selection of characters. Mario is a great all-rounder, while Luigi offers higher jumps. Peach can float, which is useful for tricky platforming. Toad is incredibly fast, perfect for speedrunning. And don't forget Rosalina, who brings her unique spin attack to the adventure once unlocked. While Daisy isn't in the game, you can unlock another fantastic character, Rosalina. To do this, you'll need to complete the main story and then clear all the levels in World Star. Once unlocked, Rosalina offers a distinct playstyle with her powerful spin attack, adding a new dimension to your gameplay experience. Even without Daisy, Super Mario 3D World offers immense fun. Try out all the available characters to see whose abilities best suit your style. Explore every corner for hidden items, and don't forget to team up with up to 3 friends for an amazing multiplayer experience. There's so much to discover and enjoy in this vibrant world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.